how to cancel an invoice on PayPal. So to cancel an invoice, open PayPal and log into your account. Now click on Pay and Get Paid and click on Create and Manage Invoices. And here select Invoices, and now here you will get all of your invoice. Now select the invoice which one you want to cancel and click on this three dot, and here you will get cancel option. If you can't find the cancel option, then you can delete the invoice by clicking on delete, and a confirmation pop-up will open up. Click on delete or cancel. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.